Hi everyone, I'm Justine Juyad and I'm here to show you how to use Multimeter. A multimeter is a handheld diagnostic tool used to measure electrical properties including voltage, current, and resistance. And now what we need are other components and material. The first one is LED. Second is we need a 1K resistor, and also we need connecting wires. And lastly, we need an analog experimenter. And now we need to test the resistor if it equivalents to 1K ohms. And now we connect the connecting wires to the analog experimenter, 12 volts and ground. And now we put the resistor to the breadboard of analog experimenter. And now we connect the 12 volts to the resistor rail. And now we put the positive tail of the LED to the rail of resistor. And now we connect the ground to the negative tail of LED. And that's it. And now we need the multimeter, and we need to change it to DC voltage. And now we test the voltage, the positive probe to the line of 12 volts rail, and the negative probe to the rail of LED. And now we need to test again the other side of resistor rail and the side of LED rail. As you can see, they have the same value. And lastly, we need to separate the ground rail and test the value of the voltage. That's all. Thank you.